I need some I need some I need some
Alright, so this is how the hair is looking now that I finished styling it and installing it onto my head. I felt like this was such a super easy install since this is a closure wig and not a full frontal. I'm giving my edges, the sides of my edges, some breaks, you know, a little bit of a break. The hair, let's break it down. First off, shedding doesn't happen, not here, not over here at all, nope. I haven't had any shedding so far, so that's really good, especially considering I bleached the heck out of the front of this hair. Like, I had to bleach this twice to make sure it got to as light as I needed it to, and it definitely did. It got really, really light, which makes me super happy. I wish I had dyed the whole unit, but it's okay because I like how this came out. So like, as you can see, I dyed like strips in the back of this unit, and they came out really nice. And then I put on top of it, I don't remember the door bottle that I used, but I'm gonna put it right over here for you guys to see. But yeah, I like the color. I like the color a lot. As you can see, I didn't even have to pluck it. The knots got bleached on their own while I was, you know, bleaching the hair. This is how the front is looking. You know, I feel like I'm getting better at my closure wigs. If I'm not, you let me know down below. But I personally think that I'm getting better at them. As you can see, this is 20 inches of body wave hair. I did straighten the unit, so it's not gonna look like body wave right now. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks standing up. So it comes to about my waist, a little past my waist. And I am 5'7" for reference, okay? So yeah, I really like this unit. If you guys want to purchase it, it is $124.71. That's right, 180% density for only $124, basically $125. That is not a bad price, especially if you're not a girl who likes to do frontals and whatnot and you just want a closure, a quick closure wig. This one's good. Look. I don't think y'all know. I don't think y'all understand. Look at that. Look at that. I love this unit. I am probably going to be using this as my go-to, all right, to throw on and go if I want to like look extra good on a certain day. I don't know. This unit is giving me life. I love this color combo. I'm gonna try to do different color combos on different wigs just to spice things up, you know, because I'm tired of the plain old black units or plain old brown units or plain old 1B units, whatever they're called. I'm tired of them. So yeah, you're gonna see that a lot on my channel now. I'm gonna experiment with colors, experiment with highlights of different colors, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna have the name right here, and I'm gonna have the link down below as well as the link directly to this unit. I really like this hair. I am gonna make sure to keep you guys updated. I'm trying to stay on it, you know, but I'm trying to wear the hairs that I get. Ooh. I'm trying to wear the units as much as I can before I even go ahead and do that. So it's gonna take me a little bit of a longer time than I expected to give you updated info on the units, but always check back if you are interested. And yeah, I'll be honest, tell you the truth about these, but so far this unit is holding up well. So yeah, if you guys like this video, like what you saw, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia. Get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.
I need some I need some